Jesus Christ is the Anointed One in the New Testament. He accomplishes his mission in a revolutionary way. Where he is most effective is in the manger, on the cross, and in the tabernacle. From the manger, he teaches us what emptying oneself means. He offers himself to the Father while blessing those who come to adore him. He conquers our hearts. He attracts us in order to lead us to the heavenly kingdom. From the cross, he teaches us the lessons of obedience, humility, and detachment. He offers himself as victim to the Father in the most perfect sacrifice and blesses those who look up to him. He defeats evil and assures us of victory in our own struggles. From the tabernacle, he teaches us the greatest lesson of self-abasement. He is the good shepherd who rules our hearts with his characteristic gentleness and loving forgiveness. He stays behind in the tabernacle for anyone who wishes to receive a blessing.